Hello everyone. In this video I am going to teach you how you can create your own attractive thumbnails for your YouTube channel and how you can create an intro and outro for your YouTube channel video. Okay, so that is for that I am going to use Canva. So you can use any other editing platform that you want. You can even use any applications on your mobile like Pixel Lab is there. Okay, so to begin you just have to go to canva.com, create an account. Then of course it is free. If you want some additional options and additional features, then you will have to buy, but the basic things are free. So you just have to click on create a design. To create an intro or outro, you will have to click on video, and to create thumbnail you will have to go down and click on YouTube thumbnail. So once you click, this will be opened. Okay, so here you can basically add a color that you want in your background. Okay, then you can add a text if you want. Example, I've added this, and let me change it. Okay, I don't want this, suppose. Now I have added my text that I wanted. Then you can add elements here that you want. In these elements you will have so as you can see, you will have multiple options to add. You will have stickers here that you can add. Okay, so it will give you a animation look basically. So you can add any of this. Let's say I add this. Okay, you can add any of that. And then there is a background, so you can add a background image that you want. You can upload an image that is there. Okay, suppose I have these two images. Okay, so you can basically select download a transparent image and then use it, so it will something look like this. Okay, so you can use any of the images that you want. I would prefer that you download a transparent image, so it will give a better look. Then you can add text that you want, and inside elements you will also have things like if you go to welcome, you can add a welcome as well. Okay, so yeah, so all this will basically give you a nice look that you can have for a thumbnail. So this is just an example that I've shown. You can create according to your choice. Okay, try to make it attractive. This is something like I have created a cover page, but you can change the text accordingly and create something attractive with the help of these options. So you have multiple options there, as you can see. Okay, and then you just have to go here and download. Click on download, and if you click on download, then you can select if you want to download it as a video or as an image. So I'm going to select as an image, so you can download it. You can just select whatever you want. Okay, and click on download, so your image will be downloaded. So the second thing that I want to share is how you can create a intro or outro video with the help of Canva. So the same thing is there. As I have created a single page, you can create multiple pages and then add animation to it. So your intro or outro will be created. So if I copy this page, I can copy this page from here and update the page. For example, I don't want this here. Okay, and then this is how you can create. Then you can even add a new page if you want it fresh, but basically the background will be same background color, so you can update it. Okay, same thing is here, that you can go to elements and go to stickers and select one of the stickers and update it here, because so it will give a animated look to your video basically. Okay, you can add multiple pages here that you want to show in as a animation. Then as you can see, here is a play button. You can just play it and it will show you the video, how it is going to look. So this is how it is looking. So it's quite slow here, but you can add speed to this video and make it look animated. So if you want to add animation here, there is an option, but that is something that you will have to purchase. So I would suggest that just download your video and go to any of your free editing app. Just speed up your video and it will look like animation. You can even add some effects to your video later on. Okay, and yeah, then while downloading, just you have to click on video. Okay, and you will have to download. So then this way you can create your intro and outro for your YouTube channel and your thumbnail. Okay, so basically this website is quite useful for the YouTubers. You can really create a very attractive intro, outro and thumbnail with the help of this website. So yeah, I hope you find it useful and you are able to use this with the help of this video. Thank you so much.